Hey, 612. Okay, so here's the lesson that I want you guys to work on today. It's Wednesday, and I want you to give yourself about 40 minutes for this. You're going to be exploring a website used to design infographics and posts. It's what I've been using to create all of my posts, and I'm finding it to be super invaluable. Like, I don't know what I would do without this website right now. I use it for my grad program, and I use it for all my posts on Instagram, and I think it's a really great way to get a clear message across. And in this day and age, visual culture, visual curriculum, visual literacy, anything that you were getting information passed in front of our eyes, people have put a lot of thought into color and text and the elements they use in it. So I'm finding this to be like a really valuable thing that we're gonna do this week. You're gonna make a quick little post this week, a little Wednesday to Friday assignment. Next week I might have something else for you, and then the following week I want you to do a bigger assignment based on this. So take the time to get acquainted with this program, well, this website, and like just explore and like click on things and try things. So now that I've sort of like said all that, here is the name of the website, and it's free. You know I only like free things, and so I promise you it's free because it is. And it's called canva.com. And you're gonna go to that website and you're gonna just create a little account for yourself, and we're gonna make an Instagram post this week. Well, you know, Wednesday to Friday. Our Wednesday to Friday assignment is you're gonna make an Instagram post, and it is gonna be gorgeous. And then you're gonna like build on these skills in coming weeks. And I think I'm gonna be using this program a lot next year in the art room. And I really like the idea of you getting your feet wet on it so that when we jump in next year, you're like, oh yeah, I kind of remember this. So anyway, I'll show you again. Canva.com is where I'd like you to go explore. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to stay out of the way of the camera and show you as best I can all the parts of Canva that I want you to check out. And as you can see on my post-it notes, there's actually 3 things that I want you to check out today: elements, text, and photos. We'll talk about that. And a reminder, you're gonna make an Instagram post and you're gonna do it on the website called Canva. So let me head there. There we go. So I'm on my Canva page, and as a matter of fact, let me just go back, and I'm gonna go to my home, and I'm gonna click on all my designs, and you can see these are all of my designs. Like for example, when I did that Lisa Congdon post, which you'll remember, this is what that looked like. And I built all of these parts, and you can see, you know, I've got these colored boxes, I've got these numbers, I've picked all these fonts, I have photos, my own photo, a photo from the internet. Here's a little element that I really like. We'll talk about that. So that's a good example, and I'll just get out of that one. Let's look at one more. Here's like, you want to see a little kid? Oh, here's a little kid one. I'll just go, this is a good one. We did a map making thing with one of the classes. So none of these are not my photos at all, which is great. I say that to you because that's what we're going to explore today. The previous post I showed you was one of my photos, but this one is not one of my photos. So we've got this Lego guy. I was talking about map making. I was able to do a whole bunch of stuff on here to make a really nice Instagram post. And this is what I want you guys to be doing today. So when you get on Canva, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the page that looks like this. And when you're in home, so you should be in the home, so I'll just click that again to be sure I'm there, you're gonna make an Instagram post. Now it might be one of your first choices. You may have to slide around it's for me, I use it all the time, so it is my first choice, but it may not be your first choice. So you need to find Instagram posts, and let me just show you if it's not first. Look at all these choices: CD covers, posters, logos, invitations, brochures. So look, Instagram stories is another one. I haven't made one of those yet, but you get the idea. So anyway, oops, sorry, went the wrong way. Okay, there we go. So Instagram post is what you want to click on. And when you click on that, here's where you are. You have all of these, you have a blank post, and it's nice and square, ready to go. You have all this sidebar right here. This is where you're going to be able to choose the things. And I'm telling you this week, we are going to work with elements, text, and photo. So these elements, text, and actually photos are up here. So I have that out of order. That's fine. Elements, text, and photos. And these are all different templates. Now you're going to use a template this week, and you're just going to change a few things, just a few things, and you're going to have a beautiful post.
You can make a post about, maybe you have a missing cat. Oh my goodness, please do not have a missing cat, but maybe you do. You might, or maybe wouldn't it be funny, a missing stuffed animal or something, then you could just like throw some humor in there. That's just a random side thought. What if you wanted to have a Zoom party and you wanted to invite all your friends, you could make an Instagram post to show that. What if you wanted to make a public service announcement where you reminded people the importance of washing their hands? So you could make like a public service announcement that was an Instagram post. I am going to make a Mother's Day post because did you know that Mother's Day is Sunday? Like, please do not forget it's Mother's Day on Sunday, so that's the one I'm going to do. And I've already selected one, but I want to show you how I did that. I just go scrolling. I'm using my mouse. I'm just scrolling through here. We can have, maybe there's some already set up for Earth Day, already set up for love, already set up for food. Wait, let's just go in the food one for a second. So I'm going to go food, see all. So I click on see all. Look, what, donuts. And I clicked on that. Awesome. Now what if I was C's Bakery? What if I was Audrey's mom and I wanted to use this? I could change this so that it said C's Bakery. See where it says Pink Sweets? Why don't I just get rid of that and say, come to C's Bakery right now. And then what if right here I change that to raised and glazed? You get the idea. And that's it. And then maybe I want to change the website. I don't want to spend too much more time on there, but done. Now I have a gorgeous Instagram post related to donuts. Oh my God, I love it. Just kidding. So I'm going to hit, so if you want to get out of here, you have to, there's an X on food Instagram post. I want to just X out of that. Now I'm back to just all the templates. I found one called Spring. Oh, Halloween. That's funny. Spring, right here. Spring Instagram post. And I'm going to click see all. And like I said, I was going to make a post for my mom. There's a lot of really cool pictures on here. We're not from California, but if we were, I'm just going to click on that. Wouldn't that be a nice one? Look at how you have the palm trees and stuff. It's kind of neat. Could be cool. I think I might go back to my original idea. Oh, look at this post. Look at those pretty poppies. If you loved poppies, I think this is a really nice like template to start with. Anyway, I'm going to go back up to here. I do like this one a lot.
So there we go. This is going to make a really nice post for my mom for Mother's Day, and I could just send it to her privately, I guess. So that's the first thing. I'm doing an Instagram post. So now what I want to do is I want to work with the elements, the text, and the photos. Now you don't have to do all these. I just want to show all of these. Maybe you love this photo just the way it is, but you could also change that photo. So what I'm going to do is now that I'm in here, I'm going to go over here to photos. And up here, I might type flowers. Why not? Maybe there's a better flower I just don't even know about. And all of these, as long as it says free, like look, this one says free, I can move it over. Oopsie, I'm gonna undo that. I can move it over. Oh, I did it again. I'm gonna get rid of that photo there. I clicked on it and deleted it. Now I'm gonna move this one over. Oh, I did it twice. You guys, this is fun. There we go.
That is all of a sudden gorgeous. Maybe I want that. I can't quite tell, but it's really nice.
And you got to look around. Like here's another one. As long as it says free. So there's a lot of cool ones, but they're not all free.
Now my mom does like daisies, so I am also going to look for daisies. Just a real quick, sorry to make you scroll by here with me, but you get the idea. It's like we're in the art room and I'm doing the lesson. We know how this goes. I'm not seeing it, so I'm going to switch over to these tulips.
Oops, it didn't take. I'm going to get rid of that one, move the tulips over. And look at that. You know what? It didn't automatically make it the right size, so I'm going to click on it and drag it till it is. So there we go.
Dun, da, da, da. Now I have these beautiful tulips. Wait a minute, I'm going to change it one more time. I'm going to get rid of the tulips. Guys, this is just part of the design process when you can't think of something on the first try. And you're like, no, okay, I'm done, I promise. I'm totally done. I want to use these pink flowers. I have no idea what they're called. And